Hello. Thank you for watching Montessori lesson channel. In this video I will be introducing the exploring parts of the STEM lesson from the culture and science section. The materials required for the lesson are vinyl mat, and potted plants such as bamboo, jade plant and hibiscus. Please subscribe to my channel, press the like button and bell icon to be notified when a new video comes up. The purpose of this lesson is to teach the child about the stem part of a plant. The instructions for the lesson are: begin the lesson by setting the plant on the table. Take a good look at the stem with the child and remind them that plants are delicate and they need to be careful. Explain that the nodes are the part where branches or leaves start at the stem. The parts of the stem between the nodes are called internodes because inter means between. The angle where the branch or leaf meets from the stem is called the axil. Go over with the child that the stem part of the plant carries water and nutrients from the root to the leaves and flowers. Also mention that the stem carries sugar from the leaves to other parts of the plant. In certain plants such as asparagus, the stem stores the food. Explain that the stem supports the plant. Show how the stem lifts the leaves and flowers above the soil and towards the sun. Mention that some stems are delicate, especially the single flower stem. Other stems are strong and thick, like a stem of a tree which is called a trunk. Have the child return the materials back to the shelf. This ends this video for today. Thank you for watching.